Hey Hooper, it's Deanne Love here. Welcome to day 25 of the 30 days in flow. Today's technique is to invite. So we're going to invite some little extra bits and pieces into this flow because we have 4 tricks, but can we add some elements? So we have a hand spin, and then we have a 2-hand isolation, and then we have a linear isolation, and then I totally forget. Oh, a barrel roll. So they're all tricks that we've done. So let's invite some other little sprinkles of inspiration. Let's go for a hand spin, but pop it on our elbow and then off again. Just let's invite something new. So for me, I'm on my right hand, going to spin the hoop forward with my thumb up, my fingers out, my wrist is open, but my elbow's in close. And what I'm going to do is on the next forward down beat, I'm going to gently flick the hoop down and bring my thumb towards my shoulder and my elbow out from my shoulder. That can take a little bit of getting used to, but it's also super fun. So forwards, spin. When the hoop is on the down beat, down, 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 pop the elbow out. If your elbow is too high, the hoop will hit you. If your elbow is too low, the hoop will drop off. So you want to find this, that's why the thumb comes towards your inner shoulder. So you want to find a nice line with your elbow out from your shoulder. So get used to that one. If you shoulder pass, elbow passing, doing all of those things, invite that in. Yeah. And then if you want to catch the hoop again, because we're going to move into something else, then when you are ready, on the next push, when it hits the front of your forearm, you are going to touch, 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 hand goes up to catch, and then you can hand spin again. Okay, now we're going to pass behind the back. So it's in my right hand, I'm going to turn to the left and pass behind the back. I'm just inviting some free flow in, some new stuff. And then when I come all the way back around as I do a 360, this is when I can go in to a 2-hand isolation. So forward spin, elbow, pass, and you can do a full elbow to elbow pass if you like, and then we're going into a 2-hand isolation. So 2-hand isolation. Now we have a linear isolation, and what we're going to do is, instead of taking the line straight across in front of us on a horizontal, we're going to do a diagonal. Invite in some less brain fog, please. So down to the base, when you get to the bottom, you instantly want to take your hand up and catch, thumb up. Okay, so what's going to happen there is if you take your hand down to the front diagonal bottom, if you just simply let go, the hoop's going to hit on the floor. So there's this sweet spot where you're pushing down and then pulling up. And it can be super cool, and you can invite in lots of cool creativity of your own. But pushing down, let go, pulling your arm up. So if you can imagine, you've drawn a line, a diagonal line. So down and up. Now, my invitation here is to do a little break. And you can do that on your opposite side leg. If you're in your right hand, left leg, drop the hoop on, bring this leg up, balance, pour all of the weight into whatever side the hoop came from, pop and off. So down, up, down and out. So you're going to catch, bring it over to the opposite side. You can get this arm that's not doing anything out of the way, make it fabulous, do whatever you want with it. So we have elbow behind the back. Whoa, 2-hand isolation. Your variations can be included. I like to step and step, but you can do your own footwork there. And then here, and barrel roll. Okay, so here's something fun that you can do. You can either do an off-body barrel roll, which is this guy, or let's go for an on-body. So after we do a little pop, invite that trajectory, that natural flowing back of the hoop, and then fold forward and then push And you can do one hand, two hands. I'll go through that. So, elbow, yes. Behind the back, yes. Two hands, yes. Down, up, release. Let the hoop fold around the back, and then you're going to fold forward. I like to use this second hand just to hold on to my hoop. And then you can take the hand that's dominant and holding on and come to the outside. Give your hoop a push. 180 turn. Two hands can come to the top and drive down, or one hand if you like. And you can move into it all again if you want. So here we go. Little recap. Forward spin. Elbow in, thumb to shoulder. Catch. You can do weaves here if you like, or just a simple thumb to thumb, pointer to pointer, behind the back pass. Drive straight into your two-hand half moon isolation. On your next drive down, go towards the earth, then the sky. Reposition for balance. Pop, let the hoop hinge around and fold down. Two hands catch or one hand catch as you come back to the front. Oh, let's invite some play. Let's invite a little bit of risk, make it a little bit spicy. Let's do some other things. Invite in whatever it is that you're feeling needs to come in to this flow today. Let's play. This one for as long as you need. The invitation is to stay in flow. Grab any of the playlists over on learn.hooplovers.tv and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah.